Stop reading code. Seriously, stop opening massive, undocumented GitHub repositories and manually clicking through hundreds of folders, trying to reverse engineer how they work in your head. It is a massive waste of your time, and it is a guaranteed way to accidentally push a breaking change to production because of a hidden dependency you didn't see coming. What if you didn't have to read code blind ever again? What if you could run a single command, and a swarm of AI agents would instantly scan your entire workspace, map out every single variable, function, and import relationship, and hand you a beautiful, interactive, color-coded map of the entire architecture? This isn't a theoretical concept. A groundbreaking open-source project called Understand Anything by developer Lum1104 is completely redefining how we interact with complex software systems. By the end of this video, you are going to know the exact step-by-step setup to deploy this multi-agent engine locally, and you'll see exactly how to use its psychological persona modes to translate thousands of lines of raw code into clear visual systems in under 60 seconds. Welcome back to Everyday AI School, where we cut the fluff and pack every second with value. To understand why this system is an absolute cheat code, you have to look at the math of software engineering. Most developers spend 80% of their time simply reading code, and only 20% actually writing it. When you open a massive repository, your brain treats it like a flat text file. You are looking at a giant list of names instead of a dynamic map. The Understand Anything framework fixes this cognitive overload by natively plugging into the terminal tools you already use, like Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, and the Gemini CLI. When you trigger the system, it doesn't just guess what your code does. It orchestrates a highly coordinated parallel pipeline of 5 specialized AI agents. First, the project scanner agent maps your directory structure and auto-detects your frameworks. Then, up to 3 concurrent file analyzer agents comb through your modules, extracting classes, functions, and import strings to build structural nodes. Next, the architecture analyzer groups those nodes into logical layers like your API, services, data layers, and user interface. From there, a tour builder agent automatically constructs structured, step-by-step onboarding walkthroughs ordered by dependency. Finally, a graph reviewer agent double-checks the entire map for structural accuracy, saving everything into a highly optimized local JSON file in your project root. Having a raw data file is powerful, but visualizing it is where the absolute magic happens. Once the multi-agent scan finishes, you type a simple dashboard command. Instantly, a sleek, zoomable web canvas opens directly in your browser. You are no longer staring at walls of syntax. You are looking at an interactive architectural map. If you click on any specific component, a node inspector displays the exact underlying code, its upstream dependencies, its downstream ripple effects, and a plain English explanation of its purpose. The developer built a dedicated feature into this dashboard called Persona Mode that completely changes the game. With a single click, you can toggle the entire interface depending on who you are talking to. If you are onboarding a junior developer, it simplifies the logic into high-level concepts. And if you are doing a deep dive code review with a senior engineer, it exposes the raw technical architecture. This completely eliminates the massive communication gap between engineering and business teams. But my absolute favorite workflow is the automated diff impact analysis. Imagine you are about to merge a massive commit, but you are terrified of breaking a hidden dependency. Before you push your code, you run the impact analysis command. The AI instantly scans your uncommitted modifications and visually highlights the exact nodes on your architecture map that will be affected. It shows you the blast radius of your changes before they ever hit a staging environment, giving you total confidence that your update won't trigger a cascading failure across your infrastructure. The best part about this entire system, the visual dashboard runs entirely on local computing power. You are not making expensive third-party API calls every single time you search the graph or explore a module. This means you run the heavy AI pipeline exactly once, generate the architecture file, and commit it directly to your Git repository. When a new engineer joins your team, they don't need to spend money on AI tokens or wait for an app to rescan. They pull the repo, launch the local dashboard, take an auto-generated walkthrough tour ordered perfectly by code dependencies, and understand the entire system on day one. Let's now talk about the installation. First, you need to run exact command I pasted in YouTube description. And if you're using anti-gravity, the command is exactly the same, just replace Klein with anti-gravity. In fact, the only thing that changes across supported AI coding tools is this target name. If you're using another supported tool, you can simply refer to the project's documentation and use the appropriate target mentioned there. Once the installation is complete, restart your AI coding environment and you're ready to go. Now clone any GitHub repository or open any local project you want to understand. For example, I'll use NanoGPT, so I'll run NanoGPT clone command. After opening the repository inside your AI coding tool, run /understand to generate a complete knowledge graph of the codebase. Run /understand-onboard to get a guided roadmap showing exactly where to start learning the project. And /understand-dashboard to visualize the architecture and dependency graph. If you want to understand a specific file, use /understand-explainmodel.py. If you have questions about the repository, use /understand-chat followed by your question. And one of the most powerful commands is /understand-diff, which analyzes your code changes and shows what files, functions, dependencies, and execution paths are affected by those modifications. With just these commands, you can turn almost any GitHub repository into something you can explore, learn, and truly understand.